This is the HOUSNAT 6-quart stainless steel cooker. It is a 10-in-1 cooker, but I did mainly buy it as a slow cooker, so I can really only attest to how it works for that. But it is nice to know that it has all these other options as well. I also really like that this has a delay start. I find that to be really helpful, especially when you only need it to cook for a certain amount of time, but you need to prepare it earlier or whatnot. It's 6 quarts, so there's a lot of room. There's about 4 chicken breasts in here right now, and there's plenty of room for lots of other things to go in there. I find this super easy to use. For the slow cook option, I'm just going to press slow cook, and you just press it again to change from low to high, as you can see, and then the time will flash, and then you just press the minus or plus to change that time. So I don't need that much time. I'm going to change it. I only need 3 hours, and then you don't have to press anything else. It'll just flash, and then when it's done flashing, that means it's ready to go. So you see it's on high for 3 hours, and it will beep when it is done. The other thing I really like about this is that this keep warm button, you can see that's lit up. When the 3 hours is done, it'll just go to a warm setting instead of a low or high. So I find that to be really helpful as well. I also really like the handles on this slow cooker. It's a rubber material, so it doesn't get hot, so it allows you to hold right there, while you're stirring or whatnot. And that's just another convenient feature of this slow cooker. I do find that this cooks normal. I haven't had anything weird happen. To me, it's perfect. It's cooked right on time every time that I've used it. It doesn't seem to cook too fast or too slow. So hopefully that's helpful. I was looking for something stainless steel, something a little healthier to cook in for a good price point. So if you're looking for that, this is really it. Really have enjoyed this slow cooker so far. And as you can see here, my timer has ended and the keep warm button is on, and you'll notice the time will go up. So the keep warm has been on for 4 minutes now. So that's also a really nice feature, is once the timer goes off and the keep warm turns on, it does count how long that's been on.